In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and text message templates in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tools, how to build clean, reusable messages, and how to put them to work in your campaigns. Start by opening GoHighLevel and logging into your account. When you land on the main dashboard, you're in the right place to begin. From the left-hand menu, head to Marketing or Conversations. Different accounts may label this slightly differently, but both areas house the messaging tools you need. Inside, look for the Templates or Email Templates section and open it. This is your central hub for creating and managing both email and SMS templates. You'll see a list of anything you've already created, plus options to add something new. Click New Template to get started, then choose whether you're building an email or an SMS, also called a text message. Pick email if you want a designed layout, or SMS if you need something quick and concise. For email templates, give your template a clear name and add a subject line that sets expectations and encourages opens. Use the drag and drop editor to lay out your content, or switch to a text editor if you prefer something simpler. Add images, buttons, and formatting to guide the reader's eye, and keep mobile in mind. Short paragraphs, scannable sections, and clear calls to action work best. If you're accessing GoHighLevel in a browser, the official site link is in the description, and if there's an app version available, you'll find that download link there as well. For SMS templates, start with a straightforward name, then write a short, clear message. Keep it conversational and to the point. You can personalize it with details like the contact's first name, so it feels relevant. Remember, shorter is better with texts, and watch your character count if you're sending to multiple carriers. If you want to personalize either email or SMS, use custom fields such as contact name, appointment date, or business name. This small touch can dramatically improve engagement and helps messages feel tailored without extra manual work. When you're happy with the content, click Save. Your new template appears in your list, ready to use. It's a good idea to create a consistent naming convention so your team can find the right template fast. Before you roll it out, send a test to yourself. Check formatting, links, images, buttons, and personalization to confirm everything renders correctly on desktop and mobile. Finally, put your template to work. In campaigns, workflows, or conversations, select the Save template when sending messages. That's it. Your system is now more consistent, faster, and easier to manage. Thanks for watching.